Welcome to 906 Access in Hope Mills, North Carolina, close to Fayetteville, Fort Bragg. My name is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty, and you're in for a real treat. I'm going to take you on a tour of this epic renovation. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, www.davidhomesforsale.com. It's number 4. Or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. You can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition today. There's one car garage, an attractive brick veneer, big front porch, fresh landscaping, brand new roof with architectural shingles. It's all brand new paint, flooring, fixtures, and much more on the inside to include all the cabinets and vanities. And you're gonna love this, starting with this laminate floor and the living dining room combination. This is a huge open floor plan, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. And you've got to look at this fantastic kitchen. It's got a breakfast bar, granite counters, stainless steel appliances. Tile backsplash there as well, pendant light over the sink. Brand new cabinets. The entire kitchen is brand new. Here's a closer look at the counter and backsplash. This is really pretty. And here's the view from the kitchen. And there's a pantry cabinet there. And there's a door to the garage there. And this is the laundry room. Here's the backyard with a patio and storage shed and a brand new privacy fence. Let's check out the bedrooms and bathrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And a tile floor in the hall bathroom. This is the second bedroom. The third bedroom. And finally, the master. And I really like this tile floor in the master bath. And here's another look at the vanity. That's really unique. And a closer look at this custom mirror. Thanks for watching the tour. Give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. I hope you enjoyed the tour.